taste it. That is so good! Taste it, Sean!
It's Tosh Unleashed.
And me!
And Elijah.
Hey.
And Sean's coming. Eventually. Hi, Sean. Alright, you guys. So, milk tea is really popular in a lot of Asian countries. And it's gotten pretty popular here. I love milk teas, especially with the boba. It's not my first time making boba or milk tea, but it will be a first time for a lot of people. And it is my first time actually learning how to make it earlier this year. I'm really excited to show you guys how easy it is to make. Like I said, I have some plain old black iced tea that I just got done boiling and brewing for a long time because you want it to be really, really strong. You can use green tea also. And then we're gonna add our creamer. I'm actually using Dunkin' Donuts creamer for the first time today. It tastes really, really sweet, so I don't think I'll have to add any extra sugar. One important thing you have to have is boba. That's like the most important thing for classic milk tea. We're gonna actually boil some boba, and I bought the instant kind. You can add other toppings like the jellies and all of that, but I prefer the boba. And then you want to stir the boba until they start to rise to the top of the pot. Okay, and now that the boba are floating to the top of the pot, as you can see, we're going to cover it. So now that we have the pot covered, we're going to let it boil on medium heat for 5 to 8 minutes. Once the boba are done boiling, you can take the heat off and let it simmer for another 5 to 8 minutes.
So what y'all doing today?
I'm making milk tea, girl.
Y'all, I love boba toss.
Okay, now it's time to check on the boba. So the bobas are done simmering, and now it's time to drain them and rinse them with cold water.
Always gotta be safe.
So we're gonna go ahead and strain the boba carefully, and it is hot, so be very careful.
Look at this, guys. I eat them raw.
They're not raw, they're cooked.
I mean cooked.
Just gonna put about a teaspoon of honey, and that's good. That's good.
I like stirring.
How do you taste? Alright, so I'm gonna pour in the flavoring. Today I'm gonna make strawberry passion fruit. First, as a general rule, I wouldn't use any more than 3 tablespoons of each flavor just because they are so sweet. So you can find all of these flavor syrups at any Asian market. It's way cheaper to just go there if you're close to a store like that. If you don't have that luxury, you can just get them online from Amazon, anywhere. And you have perfect homemade boba teas. So we just made homemade boba teas. It's one of our favorite treats.
I don't drink tea.
Sean doesn't drink tea. But we do, and we like them. So we just showed y'all how easy it is to make them, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it as much as we did.
Thanks.
All right,
Bye.
that's all. Bye.
You like my song? I know I like it.
What is it?